Hello friends, welcome to our channel C Square. Today I'll be showing you how to make some herbal teas using whiskey and some Indian spices that is mainly cinnamon and some cloves. It's a very effective remedy for cold, cough and sore throat, and you should use it daily for 3 days before going to bed. Now I'll show you how to make the drink. Now I'll take a cup of water and bring it to boil. Once the water boils, I'll just add the clove and cinnamon sticks. I'll boil it till it throws some strong aroma of the spices. After boiling it for 2 to 3 minutes, I'll just turn off the gas and let it cool down a bit. You can see the color of the water has changed, and I've taken the water in a glass of water. Now I'll add 30 ml of whiskey in it and drink it regularly for 3 days every night. See, now my whiskey tea is ready, and you can sip it slowly and take a good night rest. You take it for 3 days, and I can guarantee it that you can cure your cold, cough and sore throat just by using this whiskey tea. Thank you for watching the video. Video pasand aaya to please like, share and subscribe.